You can support agents to your accounts and also check the analytics related to their response time and other details as well. So at Chatic Media, we don't limit on how many human agents or support agents or contacts or messages you send as well. So here, if you go to our website, so here it means keep the conversation flowing with unlimited users and messages as well. So here I'm in a demo account, and let's see how to add a human agent first. For that, you have to simply go to the settings over here and choose admins, and here you have the option to add new admins or human agents as well. And from those admins you have already added, you have the option to create inbox teams as well. For example, you can create different teams for different areas of support, like billing, customer support, technical support, and etc. And here, when you can also set the working hours for each of these admins or agents as well, and from there you can track the analytics as well. So first of all, if you want to wondering how to add new admins or human support agents, simply click on manage over here. So here click on add. So instead of providing them all these permissions to access your account, you can untick the super admin, and from here you can actually assign only specific areas or specific features only to those human support agents. So if they are human support agents, they don't need to access the analytics flows. So it's enough if you provide them just the contacts or inbox, and even you can control this further as well. If you untick this one here and click on this one, they can only manage the assigned conversation only. So that means only if a particular conversation is assigned to that specific human agent, then only they can check that conversation. Otherwise, all other conversation they cannot see it. So you can do this option as well. So it won't create any sort of confusions between those human agents you will be having, because they can only see the conversation assigned only to them. So after you set all these permissions you like, simply click on continue, and it will generate a specific link right here. You can simply provide them this particular link or copy this link and send it to them, and from register an account and simply log in as well. So after they joined or your account, you can actually check their profile right here as well. So here we already have some human support agents over here, and here, as I mentioned earlier, you can also create inbox teams as well. So here for sales support, here you can actually create different support. So here for sales support, here we have created some teams, and as you like. For example, if I say test team, and here you can actually assign specific human agents as you like as well. So these 3 people will be assigned to this specific test team. So if you don't want that one, simply click delete as well. And another important thing is that when adding these human support agents, you can also set the working hours as well. So if you click on manage over here, you have the option to add different working hours as you like. So here we have created one Monday to Friday 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. assigned to 4 employees. So let's say these 4 employees work during this particular time frame 9 to 5. But if you want to change or provide different sort of shift hours, you can do that as well. For that, from working hours right here first, and create or add new time. So here, for example, let me switch to Thursday, Friday, and let's add Saturday 9 to 5 and Sunday 9 to 5. So just Saturday and Sunday 9 to 5. So here for this specific working hours we have just created, you can actually assign employees as well. For example, let's say this particular person, Stella James, can work on Saturdays and Sundays 9 to 5, then they will be assigned right here as well. So you can actually assign these working hours to specific agents as you like, and from the analytics tab right here, you can check for all the analytics, including the analytics related to the agents as well. So here it says admins, and here you can check how many messages they sent, how many contacts they handled, and here this is the important thing where it says the response time. So this response time is so here two things, response time, and here again response time, but here you see the clock icon as well. So this response time with the clock icon is calculated considering their working hours as well, and this is just the overall response time of these agents. So here likewise, the first response time is the overall, but the first response time during their working hours is calculated using this particular clock icon as well. And here if you go to the inbox over here, and let me send or assign the conversation to me first, to chatting media, and send some random messages over here, and send some other random message again, and send again some random messages, and open another conversation from Instagram assigned to me. All right, and send some random messages just for testing purposes. All right, so now here assigned to me. All right, and send some random messages as well. All right, so here I assigned 3 chats right here to myself and send some random messages. So now this analytics should change as well. For example, we should see 3 contacts at least to me. So here it assigned 3 contacts to me and 9 messages sent, and here these response times didn't change right here. So here now it says 3 contacts and 9 messages sent. So let me update this to lifetime over here. All right, it's changed to lifetime, and here you see chatting media has sent 45 messages to 24 contacts. The response time overall is 16 hours, but during their working hours it's 12 seconds. First response time is 20 hours, that's overall, but during their first working hours it's just 12 seconds. And here you can see the assigned conversations as well. So like basically you can check the analytics for all these agents as well. So through the flow builder you have the option to assign this conversation as you like. For example, let me open this one over here, and here you have the option, or if you are wondering how to assign this conversation automatically through the flow builder, click on actions, and here you have to look for the actions related to inbox, and here you have all these options, whether you can actually transfer the conversation to the human, assign the conversation to a specific admin, or you can also use auto assign conversation to admins as well. So what happens is that based on the availability or the distribution of the conversation within all time or last hour, 8 hours, 24 hours, this particular conversation will be assigned to one of the person you select right here, considering the equal conversation distribution in the last 24 hours. So you can also do this one as well. So you have these conversation distributed to your agents evenly as well. So you can even add specific notes as well, mark conversation as follow-up, and you can do other things as well when assigning this conversation to your agents as well. And that's a quick video on how you can easily agents and assign conversation. And that's check for human agent analytics. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.